Guys, there are some of the things I'm discovering in this new era when it comes to local poultry farming. You know, when I started this local poultry enterprise, or when I switched to pure local indigenous chickens, uh, I knew that they are used to hatching. So I knew that they are going to be laying, and when they stop laying, they hatch or they incubate their eggs, and then I get chicks. But that is totally different from what I am right now experiencing. My chickens are seven, the hens are seven, and one cock, so they are eight, all in number, and they have been laying for quite some time. And I waited maybe that I could get even one to hatch or to incubate the eggs, but I failed. Instead, they continued laying. This was the surprise. As you can see, uh, all these things, all here, all in this drinker, we have in eggs. So I decided, because I want to remember that I sold most of my chickens. So here on the farm, I doesn't have many chickens right now. So I decided to explore new ways of hatching these eggs. So I decided to now start hatching these eggs using the box. So let's turn this box into an incubator with you guys. Watch this video till the end so that you doesn't miss out anything. Maybe it can also maybe help you on what you on your farm, and maybe you have the eggs and which you want to hatch, and then you turn uh, the the box into an incubator and you incubate those eggs. Here I have 49 eggs, so they're close to 50, which I'm going to incubate in this box so that maybe I can get the chicks. So let's turn this box into an incubator. First, you see, to incubate eggs in this box, I need the kerosene lamp. And when I put the kerosene lamp inside here, it is attaching, its top can attach here. Like the kerosene lamp is here right now, as you can see. This is the kerosene lamp. So when I put it inside here, you can see the top of the kerosene lamp is being attached to the it is being attached to the top of the box. So this makes me make or want to make a little bit taller the box. So due to that, I'm going to make this box like this, so that I tie here and I tie here, so that it can be a little bit tall. And then we shall put the kerosene lamp, eggs, and the eggs inside, and then we cover on the top. Yes, do the job, guys. So guys, after, I think you can be able to see that the cabin or the box has become a little bit bigger, or the taller. So at least now I am a little bit sure that the kerosene will not hit on the top. So the second thing is I'm going to put the cotton wool down. Yes, so to prevent eggs. So we have to prevent this or the eggs from being attached on the ground or to go on the ground. So the cotton wool is a little bit very few, but at least we don't want it. So guys, we are putting this is the water for humidity, and of course we are still setting, because you have to make sure that the ramp is not producing the soot. So we are setting it to make sure that the ramp is not producing the soot. So we are covering here as we are still organizing the eggs, so that we can be obtaining the temperature we want.